How do I save an Excel spreadsheet as a semicolon-separated values file? I am running Excel and would like to export my file as a SESV, semicolon-separated values, sheet instead of a CSV. Is there any way to do this? PS. I can't do a CSV and search and replace commas with semicolons because the fields contain commas already.
How about doing tab delimited and replacing the tabs with semicolons? In Excel, File and GT, Save as and GT, in Format select tab delimited text, then hit Save. Open the file in Notepad and open the Replace window. Since you can't tab directly into this window, copy a tab from your document and then paste it into the Find box and put your into the Replace box. Then replace all. I assume this would work because it is very rare to have tabs within an Excel document.
I don't think you can set output separator directly in Excel, but, assuming Windows, you could change OS list separator too. That's done in Regional Settings and GT, Customize. Excel will use that setting outputting your CSV files.
Use LibreOffice Calc, it's a free download, and works on all major operating systems. To save to semicolon-separated values. Open your XLSX/CSV file. File in GT, Save As. Choose Filter CSV as the filter, should be default if your file name ends with .csv. Tick Edit Filter Settings and press Save. When it asks for confirmation of the file format, press Use Text CSV format. Change the field delimiter to a semicolon. You can type anything in here. Press OK. LoCalc will correctly handle commas and semicolons in cell values.
If you would like a script, paste the following in a module.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.